So let us study in the module 2 clay minerals in soil. Clay minerals in soil. Formation of clay minerals. Formation of clay minerals. The combination of two sheets of silica and gibbsite of different arrangements and conditions leads to the following different clay minerals. So, we have considered in nature two sheets of silica and gibbsite of different orientation and conditions, which will leads the different clay minerals in nature such as kaolinite mineral, and the next one is montmorillonite mineral, and the third one is illite mineral. So let us study what is kaolinite mineral, how it has made in the nature. The first one is kaolinite mineral. Kaolinite minerals. Kaolinite is the most common mineral of the kaolinite group of mineral. Its basic structure unit consists of alumina sheet combined with the silica sheet. The kaolinite mineral is made by the basic structural unit of kaolinite is consist of alumina sheet combined with silica sheet, that is S, and alumina sheet can be written as in the letter of G. This consists of building blocks of alumina sheet and gibbsite and silica sheet arranged as shown in the figure. I will show you the figure. You can write down the shape of kaolinite mineral in nature. First one is alumina sheet, then silica sheet, the size is 7 angstrom, and even this is 7 angstrom. So you can also write it the diagram in terms of silica sheet and alumina sheet. One silica sheet, one alumina sheet in the kaolinite mineral. Silica, alumina sheet. So this is the structure of kaolinite mineral. Structure of kaolinite mineral. So tips of the silica sheet and one base of the alumina form a common interface. How it has been formed? Tips of, you can see that tips of the silica sheet is combined with the one alumina sheet and they can form a common interface. Tips of the silica sheet and one base of alumina sheet. Alumina sheet which will form common interface. Common interface. So the total thickness of structural unit is about 7 angstrom. You can see that the total thickness of the structural unit is 7 angstrom. That is, you can say it 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter or 10 power minus 7 millimeter. The kaolinite mineral is found by stacking one over the another. You can see it in the diagram. So here this kind of soil, the characteristics of this kind of mineral. What are the characteristics? So the water cannot easily enter between the structural units. Water cannot enter easily in this kind of mineral because they are closely arranged, and then so expansion or swelling will not take place. Due to this, what will happen? There is no swelling and expansion. That's why kaolinite minerals are considered as very strong minerals in nature due to their characteristics. Swelling and expansion is not there in this kind of minerals. Coming to the montmorillonite mineral. Next one is montmorillonite mineral. What is montmorillonite mineral? This is the most common of all clay minerals in expansive clay soil. You can see this kind of minerals in almost all clay minerals. Clay minerals are considered as montmorillonite. You all know that clay mineral is very weak in nature. Even the montmorillonite mineral is also considered as a weak mineral in nature. Clay minerals in expansive soil mass. Expansive clay soil. In nature, the expansive clay is considered as a montmorillonite mineral. The basic structure unit consists of an alumina sheet sandwiched between two silica sheets. In kaolinite sheet, what will happen? One alumina is combined with the one silica sheet. But here, the basic structural unit consists of one alumina sheet sandwiched between two silica sheets. Okay, the thickness of each unit is 10 angstrom. The successive structural unit are stacked one over another like leaves of a book. How we can see? It is arranged like one stacking over another. You can say it as leaves of a book. So it composes of unit made of two silica tetrahedral sheet with a central alumina sheet. There is a very weak bonding between the successive sheets and water may not enter between the sheets, causing the minerals to swell. If the water is not enter between the sheets, then also these kind of minerals are exposed to the swelling. The spacing between silica, alumina, silica sheets depend upon the amount of available water to occupy the space. We can write the structure of Montmorillonite. Ten angstrom, silica sheet, and this is the water molecule, and gibbsite sheet. Okay, this is the structure of Montmorillonite. Coming to the third one, illite mineral. Illite mineral. What is illite mineral? The basic structural unit is similar to that of Montmorillonite mineral. However, the mineral has properties different from Montmorillonite due to following reasons. How it has been different from the Montmorillonite? First,